walk up the stairs. Come on. This is the place I bring Miss Anne here too. Come on. Deep breath in and out. Let me take that.
Even some animals that are extinct.
Yeah.
But you know jungle birds are
Yeah.
extinct?
Oh, really?
There's a jungle bird.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know the old people from the old years?
Yes.
They decided to kill.
Extinct.
Oh.
They aren't real birds, though.
Oh.
They're real birds. Extinct. Do you know what that means?
What?
What does that mean? Extinct.
That dies.
Guys.
I think this one is extinct.
They're all. They do. Don't lose your glasses. Here. You can match the foot training size. Shower. Real. They're dead, but they're real ones that they kept it so it stays like this. It doesn't rot. They use some kind of special chemical and make it freeze like this. Look at all those minerals, rocks and minerals.
Look at these birds. Is that caterpillars?
Yes, caterpillar. Look here, Shiva. This is bagworm moth cocoons. What is that moth?
No, look at this. We're four.
Real for a
Why
possum.
is there rocky? What is inside there?
These are all rocks and minerals from
Look, this
Texas
one is
and
a
all over.
possum. This one is, look, this one is a
Wildcat.
wildcat, and this one is a.
You wear your glasses, don't forget.
No, which way?
Oh, look at the butterfly, and you'll see lots of
I
butterflies.
thought that was a bee.
So, we'll see what else we see, okay? Go slow and no rush. Enjoy this nature. Know that you've been here before?
They're only in my field trip.
You've been on this side too?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know
Where
that.
I never been here.
Yeah, I know you haven't been here. I recently came here with mom.
That guy.
Yeah, look at that statue, Norla. Did you see that statue?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
She saw everything.
She did. She's been here before.
Oh, a squirrel house.
Well, yes. So we are
So big.
right now. It says you are here, which we are. Mostly when they have a red dot too, means we're here. Oh, snakes. Okay, come follow me. Come on, Kai. Watch your side. Dino pit. You're gonna go there later, okay? But you gotta walk really slow so you don't get
Dino pet.
you don't trip over.
I thought about breeders can't get a snake.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Breeders not feel
Hi Nola. I'll just take a quick picture here. Let's sit here and rest a little bit for a few seconds. Come here. Can I sit on this side for a few seconds? There's owls. Look at that bird. You see that one?
Yeah,
Look, you see owls. Did you see that? Can you see
when it
it?
was my field trip.
Look at him. Is that pretty? Okay. You see that? Where? Oh yeah, that's where he sleeps. On that hammock. Let's go see what else is there. Come on, Kaya. There's
What's the
few.
colors?
They can really red-tailed porcupine. You want to see porcupine?
Yes.
Right here.
I already
It's
saw.
over there.
I saw the porcupine.
See over there? Straight. Sure. What is this one?
Common raven.
Common raven. It's a big bird.
This is the end.
Is it
See?
in? So we'll go on this side then.
Yeah, when we go there.
Now we can. He has a name, you know that? His name is, or her name is Moxie. Moxie. That's a Moxie bobcat. Come girl.
That's the end.
Yes, but look, it's beautiful. You'll see the whole nature.
Cheers.
Come here, look here.
What's this? Seriously? Turn around.
Okay, let's go.
Now let's go dig dinosaur.
Everything is like, you see something in there? Barn owl. Go enter inside here. Norla, here. Let's go inside the dinosaur bone. Hiya. Let's go. Whoa. Now here, keep this around your neck with your glasses on. Now hold it. Welcome to the Benvenida Dino Pit. Right here, like in the shade. Now see who put on your. There's an open.
Is it tiny below deep?
All of these are digging. Those claws. No, because she only has it. You see all those claws. These are digging. There's more on this side. There's a shovel here, Kaya. You see a shovel? Over there. The shovel, and this red one. See orange digging thing. See, if you look around, you'll find it. And then you can brush it. And after you dig, you use the brush to brush it off. See if there is any. Careful, okay? Yeah. Yes, that is. These are teeth.
Oh, head is here.
Oh, chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, let's go. Come on, babies. So we're gonna take our shoes off and socks off and keep it together, okay?
Ready to fish.
Be careful, we have to watch first. don't have to catch fish. You can even catch the little rocks.
I want to catch a fish.
No, Lola said there's fish inside the bucket. Careful, okay, yeah, focus. Oh, here, give me, mommy. Oh, there's fish. Look. Let's show him.
Oh wow, yeah. Now it's easy to catch.